Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Monday, and it's day 42 of the Quarantine Gardeners. This is our daily journal. If you haven't been following along yet, we have filmed 42 daily videos at this point.
Yep, 42 days in quarantine.
So today we need to get our dahlia bulbs in the ground. We haven't done that yet. So we have 3 bulbs. They're brand new this year. We're trying them out from a new company, and we need to find a place to plant them.
Yep, so we're walking around our garden, just looking for a good spot, somewhere we have space, but somewhere where they're gonna grow real healthy and do really well.
We'll show you the location that we've picked out, and we want to show you how to place these bulbs correctly in the ground, because there is a right way.
Yep, it can be tricky, so we're gonna give you a heads up on how to do that. So guys, here's our front yard, and we are looking at this area over here to plant, right around in this area, to plant our dahlia bulbs.
If you remember, we just planted some gladiolas right here. So being mindful of that and the fact that they'll be shorter than the dahlias at full height, we want to plant the dahlia bulbs behind where the glads will come up.
Well, and this is to make sure that neither the dahlias nor the glads shade each other out or anything else shades them out. So you got to be mindful of how tall they are, and that's why we're doing that. One reason we picked this spot was because there's about 8 hours or so of sunlight in this area, and that's perfect for the dahlias. Also, spacing-wise, we need to make sure that there's at least a foot of space between the dahlias and any other plants. And so here's some dahlia bulbs, or tuberous roots as they're known.
They need to be planted horizontally. In order to plant these, they need to be placed about 6 to 8 inches under the soil.
They're going to grow their stalks off the tuberous root around this area, and they're called eyes. That's where they grow off of. The roots will grow in other places, usually along the sides and the ends, but the shoots will grow out of eyes or slits on the surface of the tuber.
So we're really excited to get these bulbs in the ground. That's our next step, is to actually dig our hole, get it ready, and plant them. The dahlia that we showed you today is cafe au lait, which is a really popular color used in a lot of weddings, wedding bouquets, and things like that. So it has a beautiful peachy cream color. So we cannot wait to see this in bloom.
Really excited, everybody. So that's what it takes to find a good spot and to think about planting your dahlia bulbs. Go ahead and use those tips to plant yours, and let us know down in the comments below if you're planting anything or if you have any questions. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button to let us know if we're doing a good job or not. And also subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow on day 43, Tuesday, with another new project.
Till then, see you later.
See you later, everybody.
Bye-bye.